Toys R Us. Hello, welcome to our presentation. Today we'll be discussing and analyzing the financial difficulties that Toys R Us have faced on their endeavor to invest in the US market that lead to the company bankruptcy. We will touch on the variables that led to this liability and further discuss how the business can learn from this misfortune.
What's happened to Toys R Us? Toys R Us have finally filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy after sustaining years of crushing debt since its 2005 buyout. Chapter 11 bankruptcy is a way for Toys R Us to restructure its huge amount of debt. Toys R Us have been operating with 10 years of debt, coming to $5 billion in total, and costs the chain about $400 million a year. Their 2018 bonds have lost 80% of their value in 2 weeks.
Why has this happened? Competitors have pulled ahead with better customer services, customer shopping experience selection and lower prices. Although this is once a popular business, Toys R Us exists as a warehouse, whereas other stores such as Smith & Entertainer continue to draw in customers with their interactive display and toy demos. John Copestake, the Chief of Retail and Consumer Goods and Analyst at the Economic Intelligence Unit, believes that they failed to take advantage of the huge opportunity of its physical stores by developing experience-led shopping facilities for families such as play zones, demos, and perhaps even a coffee shop for parents. For a toy shop to survive, it must create fun, whereas Toys R Us is difficult to shop in, particularly during peak times, and they have a subpar website, which means it underscores the pressure building on retailers from cut-price rivals like Amazon.
Toys R Us need to try and develop new techniques in order to draw customers into the store to boost sales and try to resurrect the financial situation. One way in which they have done this is by improving the store experience in its 1,600 stores within the US by introducing a new augmented reality app which allows consumers to see fun and exciting characters around the store while shopping. Toys R Us have also initiated a half-price sale within the Babies R Us section of the store in a desperate attempt to boost sales mid-season. It is said that shoppers can save up to £90 on selected items across the store, with some reductions being up to £150. Alongside this, the store may now begin to consider modernisation and a heavy online presence to keep up with rivals such as Amazon and other online market dominators, following the store being woefully unprepared for the rampant rise of online shopping, and it has failed to meet the growing demand for subscription service for baby items, which the supermarkets and other rivals now deliver.
After analyzing the company's bankruptcy, we can conclude that Toys R Us were caught up in a bad investment venture, which led to huge loss of profit. The implication of this is that Toys R Us can learn from this mistake. For instance, they can make exclusive items only available in store and then advertise these items online, and they can add more benefits to their membership program to encourage more people to join, thus increasing customer clientele. This is the end of our presentation.